Hello guys, hi everybody, beautiful people, how you all do? Welcome back to another video. Hey, so thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Please, if you have never subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor. Please, if you never subscribe, guys, subscribe to this channel. Please, let's subscribe, share the video, like the video. Please subscribe to this channel, okay guys? So yes, let's dive into this video. The other video I did last night show you guys anti-itching. Was it 3 days or 4 days ago, and 2 days ago something, I show you guys if your hair is always itching you, things for you to use to stop the itching very fast, instead of scratching your hair in the public, or scratching your hair makes you uncomfortable. Scratching your hair makes you uncomfortable. So guys, today I want to show you guys this cream. That one is for itching, but the same product like this. This one is anti-royal, the same pure royal, the world, what is it called, the world greatest products, anti-royal, the world greatest products, and it's 6 in 1. Okay, this one is 6 in 1. It does about 6 things. Okay, this particular hair cream does about 6 things. That is why they say 6 in 1 inside, right inside this cream. So one of them is it repairs damaged hair, and 2 of it is break control. It controls your hair from breaking. It controls your hair from breaking. And the 3rd one is vitamin. It riches in vitamin E. Vitamin E rich is reaching in vitamin E. I don't know how they write this grammar. So the 4th one is conditions. It has conditioners inside. And the 5th one is it makes your hair longer. Your hair will be very long. And the 6th is it moisturizes your hair. It moisturizes your hair. So this particular repair and grow is a unique intensive hair scalp treatment that makes your hair stronger and softer, looking younger, and also repairs damage. So the 2nd one, direction for use: apply, repair and glow direct to your scalp, and also massage truly. Use daily for best results. As you guys know, this is why I do this hairstyle. I know. So guys, the reason why I do this hairstyle, so that I can get in my scalp. Okay, so that I can get in my scalp and do it very proper. Okay, so let me go this way. They say you have to massage it through scalp. And because this particular product is it helps. It's 6 in 1. It repairs damaged hair, and also break controls. It controls your hair from breaking, and also it's vitamin C, enriched in vitamin C. It's rich in vitamins. Okay, it's rich in vitamins, and it also has conditions inside, and also long hair, and also moisturizes. So now let's go. So I did this hairstyle because of I know I'm gonna be making a review about this particular product. So this is some pattern of South Africa comb roll. I know some of you will be wondering what kind of hairstyle is this. This is some South African style of comb roll. Okay guys, especially if you always wear the wig, you need this kind of plating to suit or to fit your wig very well, to make your wig balance. So then this is their own style of comb roll here in South Africa. So they normally use wood. This is wood, not plating like your hair. This is wood. They use the wood Okay, like not wood, wool. They call it wool. Those wool they used to plait hair, or they used to use wool. They use wool here to sew the wig and also use it for head plaiting. Okay, you guys know wool, all those wool clothes, wool, what. Some countries they use thread to sew the wig, but here in South Africa they use wool to sew the wig and also use it to plait the hair. Yes, that is how it rolls. But wool, whenever you use wool to plait your hair here in South Africa, whenever you use wool to plait your hair, when you lose the hair, normally your hair will grow nicely. Your hair will grow very, very nice. So this is the corn roll. I hope you guys can see it. I've massaged it through my hair. Let me put a little here in the front because I just braid this hair today. Is it braid or plait? Which grammar should I use? So I just plait this hair today, and it's a little bit painful. Besides that, I'm not that good at plaiting hair, and my scalp is always sensitive and very painful. So guys, my scalp is always sensitive, painful anytime I plait my hair. Oh God. So for only today, I'm sure by tomorrow I will be fine. And it's getting worse now that I massage the hair with this cream, but it's fine. I know it's gonna cool down. So guys, this is what this cream does. Okay, 6 in 1. 6 in 1. It repairs and grows. Okay, it repairs and grow. This cream repairs and grow. As I told you guys, conditions is inside. Break control, I don't know what they used to do, it is inside. It repairs damage and also make your hair longer. So this is it guys. Pure Royal. I've made the other products about the one you can use to spray your hair if your hair is inchy. So that one is the same product with this one, but this one is cream inside condition. That one is just ordinary spray for anti-inchy. For anti-itchy, if your head is always itching you can just take it to spray on your scalp, or like this. Make sure there's a space that's where you can spray it so that it can get in your scalp, or after you finish to spray it, you can use your fingertips to massage it to go through to stop the itchy immediately. So guys, if you have any question you want to ask regarding this 6 in 1 cream that make your hair grow, condition it, moisturize it, repair it, control breakage, etc. If you have any question you want to ask regarding this cream, feel free to leave me your comments below and I will be there to respond to all your questions. And stay blessed. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Bye.